Hi everybody, it's Robbie. Here is Gary's Garden. And as you know, Gary's Garden is a jungle. It's a haven for wildlife. And they do get in here and they do, eat some food, and that's okay. We have so much food. But what happened was amazing. He was working out here in his sweet potato patch. And here is his sweet potato patch this year. And he found that a mother rabbit had given birth to babies right in the open in the middle of the sweet potato patch here. Well, he didn't know what to do because they were literally in the open. You could just walk by and see them. He said, thank goodness he did not step on them. So he decided, because coyotes do pass through here all the time, is he had an old big driveway gate, big old heavy gate. Now he knows, and most people know that rabbits can fly through chain link. They look big, but once their head goes through, the rest of the body goes through. So he laid the chain link across the baby rabbits on the top, and on both sides, he placed large bricks. So while he had the gate there across, the mother could still tend to her babies, which she did. She took care of the babies, as you can see. And he said in about a week or so, the babies ran off and he saw them running around as wood chips. So all worked out good. But can you imagine what fun to find a litter of baby rabbits in the middle of your sweet potato patch? It's like a Cabbage Patch baby, but they were baby bunnies. And that is the way the rabbits do it out here. Some of them make a hole, and some of them will bury their babies after they have their babies, and then they go back and unbury them once a day and feed them. But she felt safe enough in his garden to just have them out in the open and leave them there. But he decided he didn't want to take any chances, and so the gate worked. Everybody was happy, and Mom left with her 2 baby bunnies. So with that, I wanted to share that with you. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow, at least some of it. Bye-bye, everybody.